Celtic reel. It's choreographed by Maggie Gallagher. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Celtic reel. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right mambo step. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right foot. Step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to scuff your left heel forward, hit your left knee up, and then place your left heel forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your mambo step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to hold, and then we're going to do heel switches. So you're going to quickly step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. And then we're going to clap our hands twice. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right, taking weight onto our left foot. Do 2 walks forward, right, left, and then shuffle forward with your right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our scuff hitch heel, so you're going to do your hold with your heel switches. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a crossing shuffle left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. I'm going to turn to the front for this next part of the dance so that it is a little bit easier to see because it is kind of tricky. So we would have just done our crossing shuffle. What we're going to do is touch our right toe behind our left. You're now going to step your right foot to the side and slightly back and place your left heel over your right. You're going to step down onto your left and touch your right toe behind your left. Step your right foot to the side and slightly back and place your left heel over your right. And then you're going to quickly step your left next to your right. So let's just try that one part with some counts. Our quarter pivot crossing shuffle was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to start with our touches 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And you want this to slightly travel to the right as you do it. So you want to make sure that although you're slightly stepping back, you are still stepping to the right when you are finishing this touch. So let's face the side, 9 o'clock wall. We just did our crossing shuffle. You're going to do your touch behind. So it's toe, step, heel, step, toe, step, heel together. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our shuffle, so our weight is on our right. You're going to do your quarter pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. We're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, and then step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to touch your left toe back, and you're going to turn a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then do 2 walks forward, right, left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped our left next to our right, so we're going to rock to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your mambo step. So it's mambo, step, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, scuff, hitch, heel. Hold, step, heel, clap, clap, fall, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, toe, side, heel, step, toe, side, heel together, side rock, recover, behind, side together, touch, back, half unwind, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your mambo. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and that is the whole dance. Now the dance is going to end facing 12 o'clock. You will be finishing your touch, unwind, walk, walk. And all I like to do is kind of do a big step to the side to hit that last count, but you'll be ending facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice how the dance flows. Weight is on your left, starting with your mambo. So it's mambo, step, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, scuff, hitch, heel, hold, step, heel, clap, clap, ball, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Quarter, pivot, crossing, shuffle, toe, side, heel, step, toe, side, heel, ball, rock, recover, behind, side, together, touch, half unwind, walk, walk. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo, step, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, scuff, hitch, heel, hold and heel, clap, clap, ball, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Quarter, pivot, crossing, shuffle, toe, side, heel, step, toe, side, heel, step, side, rock, recover, behind, side, together, touch, half unwind, walk, walk. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Celtic Reel. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.